Layers of the atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere is divided into 5 main layers, each with distinct characteristics and functions. 1. Troposphere. The lowest layer, extending up to about 12 kilometers, contains most of the air we breathe and weather phenomena like clouds and rain. 2. Stratosphere. Extending up to 50 kilometers. This layer houses the ozone layer, which absorbs harmful ultraviolet, UV, rays from the sun. 3. Mesosphere. Reaching up to 85 kilometers. This layer burns up meteors, preventing them from hitting Earth's surface. 4. Thermosphere. Extending up to 600 kilometers, it absorbs solar radiation, causing temperatures to rise dramatically. The International Space Station orbits here. 5. Exosphere. The outermost layer, fading into space, contains very few molecules and is where satellites operate. Each layer plays a crucial role in protecting life on Earth, regulating temperature, and blocking dangerous solar radiation. Without these layers, life as we know it would not exist.